Hi, Mama. I'm Lauren Mitchell, and today I'm walking you through how to use a breast pump in a way that feels simple and stress free. When I first started pumping, I worried I was doing everything wrong. But once I learned the basics, it became part of my routine. Lauren starts by setting up her pump. Begin by washing your hands and checking that all pump parts are clean and dry. Look closely at the valves and membranes because even small wear can affect suction. She sits in a comfortable chair. Find a quiet, comfortable place. I always keep water nearby and take a few slow breaths. Staying relaxed helps your body respond naturally. She positions the flanges. Center your nipple inside the flange tunnel. It should feel snug, not painful. If it pinches or rubs, you may need a different size. Lauren turns on the pump. Start on the lowest suction setting, then slowly increase until it feels like a gentle pull. Most sessions last about 15 to 20 minutes. She finishes by storing the milk. Label it with the date and store it safely. Every ounce matters, and you're doing a great job.